if I was to summarize like Guatemala, there's a little bit of everything for everyone. If it's culture you're looking for, history, well, the Mayans, like it's incredible.
Right.
If it's the outdoors, well, throughout Guatemala you can do so many like different hikes. Like there's the volcano hike, of course. There's the El Mirador one up north, but then there's also at the lake, like Lago de Atitlán, you can do like 5 days, 4 days hikes there. If you like partying, well, El Paredon or even like the city, there's surfing as well. Like you can find
Right.
whatever you like, you can find it there. I found.